Hello everyone. This is Ryan Miguel de los Reyes. Ituturo ko po sa inyo ngayon sa video na to is all about the integration by parts. Natin patagalin. Let's proceed na tayo. Ayan. So, integration by parts formula is used to find the integral of the product of two different types of functions, such as logarithmic, inverse trigonometric, algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential functions. So, isa si integration by parts sa pagsosolve ng mga tinatawag natin trigonometric functions, no? Bukod pa kay use substitution and then kay trigonometric substitution. So, isa din si integration by parts doon. So, kailan ba ginagamit si integration by parts? So, ginagamit si integration by parts kapag may na-encounter tayo na product of ng functions of two functions uh, such as logarithmic, inverse trigonometric, algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential functions. So kapag may mga na-encounter tayo, halimbawa, meron tayong integral of x squared, tapos may ln of x halimbawa, dx. So kapag may mga na-encounter tayo na product ng dalawang types of functions. So, doon natin ginagamit si integration by parts. Ayan. Ayan. So ito yung formula na gagamitin natin when it comes to solving a integral functions using the integration by parts. So, the integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of d du. So for example, here we have the x, the integral of x sine x dx. So, ang unang-una natin nang gagawin is magle-let dayu tayo. Ayan. So, ang ile-let dayu natin dito is yung x. And then, ang ile-let naman natin sa dv is yung sine x dx. Then, sa u, kunin lang natin yung derivative niyan, that is du equals dx. Then sa dv naman, sin x dx, para makuha natin yung v, we have to integrate this. We have to find the integral of sin x. So, ang integral ng sin x, that is negative cosine x. So, that is value of v. And then, dahil nakuha na natin yung apat na yan, proceed na tayo dun sa formula ng integration by parts. And so, the integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. Then, substitute natin, we have the integral of x sine x dx equals x times negative cosine x minus the integral of negative cosine x. Then we have to simplify, magiging negative x times cosine x plus, kasi negative 1 nilabas natin, and then negative times negative is positive. Ayan, kaya siya naging plus. Then, the integral of cosine x dx. And then, the integral of cosine x, that is sine x. So, the answer is negative x cosine x plus sine x plus c. Ayan. So, the second example, we have the x cubed ln of x dx. So, ganun lang din ang gagawin. We have ang ilalagay naman natin dito is yung ln of x dx. Yung ln of x or yung natural logarithm of x. And then, yung dv natin is yung x cubed dx. And then, kunin lang natin yung derivative niyan. That is 1x dx, 1 over x dx. And then, ang v is x raised to 4 over 4. Ayan. And then, use the formula of the integration by parts. Ayan, then substitute. Ayan, so we have the ln of x times x raised to 4 over 4 minus the integral of x raised to 4 over 4 times 1 over x dx. And then simplify lang natin. So magiging x raised to 4 over 4 ln of x minus the integral of x cubed over 4 dx. And then since we know pwede natin sabihin na the integral of 1/4 times x cubed dx. So, ilalabas lang natin si 1/4 dito sa kabila. Kaya, ang magiging ano natin dyan is x raised to 4 over 4 ln of x minus 1/4 times the integral of x cubed dx. And then, kulang natin integral yan. So, that is x raised to 4 over 4 ln of x minus 1/4 times x raised to 4 over 4 plus c. And so, for our third example, we have the integral of x squared times e raised to 3x dx. Then, ayan, so, ganun lang din. We have the let the u is x squared, dv is 3 raised to 3x dx, and kulang natin yung derivative, that is, du is 2x dx, then the integral nito is 1/3 e raised to 3x. Then, use the formula of integration by parts. Ayan, then substitute lang natin. We have the x squared times 1/3 e raised to 3x minus the integral of 1/3 e raised to 3x times 2x dx. And then simplify, magiging 1/3 x squared e raised to 3x minus the integral of 2/3 x e raised to 3x dx. Then labas lang natin, magiging 1/3 x squared e raised to 3x minus 2 over 3 times the integral of x raised to x e raised to 3x dx. So, as you can see, um, meron pa rin tayong na-encounter na dalawang functions na yun nga, product ng dalawang functions. So, we have the use integration by parts again. And for the integral of x e raised to 3x dx, so ilalet lang din natin yung x dyan na u, and then ang dv natin is yung e raised to 3x dx. Then ang du natin is dx, and v is 1/3 e raised to 3x. Ayan. Then substitute lang natin, use the formula ng integration by parts. Ayan. So we have, kaya para mas na natin maintindihan, so we have the integral of ang uv natin, ang u is x, wait lang, mali tayo. Ayan. So mistaken. So, ang uv natin is x times 1/3 e raised to 3x minus the integral of, ang v natin is 1/3 e raised to 3x. Then, ang du natin is dx. Ayan. So, ito yung sa integral of x e raised to 3x dx. Then, ito, isa-substitute natin doon. Kaya siya naging ganito. Kaya naging 1/3 x squared e raised to 3x minus 2/3 times 1/3 x e raised to 3x minus the integral of 1/3 e raised to 3x dx. Then, ito, ilalabas lang natin sa kabila. Ilalabas lang natin siya. Kaya ilalabas lang natin. So, 1/3. Ayan. Integral of e raised to 3x dx. Ayan. So, we know that e raised to 3x dx, ang integral niya, that is 1/3 times 1/3 e raised to 3x. So, kaya naging 1/9 e raised to 3x na siya. So, ayan. Plus c. Ayan, no? And then, for our answer is 1/3 x squared e raised to 3x minus 2/9 x e raised to 3x plus 2/27 e raised to 3x plus c. Kasi yung 2/3 na yan, negative 2/3 na yan is dinistribute lang natin siya. Ayan, so and for next example, we have the integral of x squared cosine 2x dx. And so, unang natin gagawin, and so we have the u is x squared, ang dv natin is cosine 2x dx. And then integral, derivative nito, that's 2x dx. Then the integral nito is cosine 2x is 1/2 sine 2x. And then use the using the integration by parts. Ayan. And then magiging simplify lang natin. So we have x squared times 1/2 sine 2x minus the integral of 1/2 sine 2x times 2x dx. Then simplify. We have the 1/2 x squared sine 2x minus the integral of x sine 2x dx. So since this is the complicated na or the product of two functions. So, gamitan natin ulit siya ng integration by parts. And so, for this part, we have u is x, dv is sine x to x, dx. And then du is dx, and v is 1/2 cosine 2x. And then, simplify, then use the formula, magiging x. And so 1/2 x squared sine x 2x minus the quantity of x times negative 1/2 cosine 2x minus the integral of negative 1/2 cosine 2x dx. And then simplify. So magiging 1/2 x squared sine 2x minus the quantity of negative 1/2 x cosine 2x plus kasi nilabas lang natin sa negative 1/2, then negative times negative is positive. So kaya nagiging 1/2 times the integral of cosine 2x dx. And then, ayan. So, simplify, magiging 1/2 x squared sine 2x plus, kasi dinistribute lang natin, then kinuha lang natin yung integral ng cosine 2x. So, magiging 1/2 x cosine 2x minus 1/4 sine 2x kasi may ang cosine o sine cosine 2x dx is 1/2 sine so ayusin natin para mas lalo natin siya maano. Yan, so integral and sine 2x. Then tinimes lang natin siya sa 1/2 kaya naging 1/4 siya. And so ito na yung answer natin. Ayan. And then for last example, we have the integral of secant cube theta d theta. So, paano naman ito na isa lang yung functions natin? So, alam natin na the integral of secant cube theta d theta is the integral of secant theta times secant squared theta d theta. Ayan. And then, apply na natin yung integration by parts. So, bago yun, maglalet tayo. Ayan. So, we have the u is secant theta. Tapos yung dv natin is secant squared theta d theta. Then ang du natin is secant theta, tangent theta d theta. At ang v natin is tangent theta. Ayan. And then use the formula of the integration by parts. Then substitute. We have secant theta tangent theta minus the integral of tangent theta times secant theta tangent of theta d theta. And then simplify. We have secant theta tangent theta minus the integral of secant theta tangent squared theta d theta. We know that the tangent theta squared, the tangent squared theta by using trigonometric identity, so that is secant squared theta minus 1. So, isa-substitute lang natin siya dito. So, magiging secant theta tangent theta minus the integral of secant theta times the quantity of secant squared theta minus 1 d theta. And then, distribute lang natin to. So, magiging, ayan. So, ito na siya yung lalabas. Secant theta, tangent theta, minus the integral of secant cube theta minus secant theta d theta. And then, ang gagawin lang natin is paghiwalayin natin sila. So, magiging secant theta, tangent theta, minus the quantity of the integral of secant cube theta d theta minus the integral of secant theta d theta. And then yung negative dyan is distribute. So magiging, ayan. So ito na yung lalabas. So the integral of secant cube theta d theta minus secant equals secant theta tangent theta minus the integral of secant cube theta d theta plus the integral of secant theta d theta. And as you can see, so this part and this third part or terms is like terms. So, i-add both sides lang natin siya. Both. Ayan. So, tama. I-add both sides natin siya. So, magiging 2 times the tangent of secant cube theta times tangent cube theta d theta equals secant theta tangent theta plus the secant of the integral of secant theta d theta. And then, ayan, simplify lang natin siya. So, ito na yung lalabas. So, yung the integral of secant theta d theta is the natural log of tangent theta plus secant theta. And then, ayan. So, ito, i-divide both sides by 2. So, the answer is the integral of secant cube theta d theta equals 1/2 secant theta tangent theta plus 1/2 times ln of tangent theta plus secant theta plus c. So this is the end of our video, the video discussion. So I hope that you have learned for something, or um, I hope for marami kayong natutunan sa araw na ito, sa video na ito. So thank you for listening and have a great day, everyone.